Good morning, y'all. Welcome to the kitchen on a Sunday morning. We're going to make some pancakes, some of my granny's pancakes. She called them hotcakes. Y'all want some hotcakes this morning? I have already gotten started. I used my granny's pancake mix. Y'all can use any pancake mix that you want. I'm not 100% sure that the family will let me share the recipe, so I can't do that as of yet. I have already put 1 cup. It's just me and Scott, and this will make, I think, about 6 pancakes. So I do 1 cup of the pancake mix. You can use any kind that you like. And I have 1 cup of buttermilk. I already got started, and I thought, you know what? I need to share this. I have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in here, and I think that's all I've got so far. So now I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla. Granny didn't put vanilla in it, but I kind of like a little extra flavor. I put it in my waffles, so why not put it in my pancakes, right? And I'm going to make Scott normal, plain old pancakes, but mine are going to be blueberry because I got some good old blueberries here. So let me get y'all down here so y'all can watch what I'm doing. Okay, here is one of my granny's secrets to getting really light and fluffy pancakes. Your egg. We are going to, he's a tough one. I am going to just put in the whites, the yolk right now. And I'm going to beat these whites, just like I do with my waffles. I am going to beat these whites until they are nice and stiff to put in there. I can get that little piece to let go. He doesn't want to let go. Look at that. Come on, bud. Hanging on like a runny nose. That was kind of gross, huh? You can get me something to wipe these fingers off. Okay. So I have all of that in here. I'm going to go ahead and get that all whipped up. I'm going to whisk. And you do want to use whole buttermilk. It is way thicker and richer than the skim, or I guess they don't make skim buttermilk, but the 1% or low fat or anything like that. There we go. It's nice and thick. You see that? Once I get these whites folded in there, it won't be near as thick. I'm going to get these egg whites nice and fluffy, so I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, we are there. Unplug my mixer before I go taking those beaters off. You're going to learn that one day. You want them to have some nice stiff peaks in there. And then you just take them and fold them down in here. Using the buttermilk, that's still going to make your pancakes nice and fluffy. But this just adds a little extra airiness to them. It is just so good, y'all. I would wake up at my Granny and Papa's house, and Granny always knew I was going to have hotcakes for breakfast. There was no question. She didn't have to ask. But she would let me sit on the counter right next to her while she was making them, so I could watch everything she was doing. So I knew how to make hotcakes long time ago. Rinse this off a little bit. Anyway, my granny would let me sit up on the counter when I would go home to Mom and Dad's house. Mama didn't agree with that. I had to stand in a chair next to it, but Granny put me right up there on the counter, sit my butt up on that counter so I could watch everything she was doing. So we have our hot cake, and it is super light and fluffy. Look at that, y'all. So I'm going to bring y'all over here closer to the griddle so we can get this started. Hang on. You want your griddle to be nice and hot before you go putting those pancakes on there. And I can feel the heat coming off of it. It feels pretty good. Well, let's go ahead and start. Now, this is super thick, so you have to kind of smoosh it down and spread it around a little bit. I think I need to wait just a second more. It feels super hot, man. It's hot on my face. I've got it on 350. Uh-oh. Gentry smells pancakes. She is so funny. Okay, pancakes. I may get you over here in just a second. You know when it's time to turn your pancakes after you start seeing little bubbles start going in the middle? That's when you know that the center is cooked too. Some people like to make their pancakes on in their iron skillet. I don't know. They've always stuck to me. It's easier. Like when I have a family, I can put a whole bunch of pancakes on here. All right, I'm going to turn this one over again for just a second. Try to get those other sides that weren't cooking real good. Alrighty, let's put some butter on here. What did I do with my butter? There it is. I like to get it on there while it's nice and hot. I don't know what I did with my spreader. There it is. It was hiding from me. Now, let's turn you over here. My butter that sits out is still so cold. Look at this. It doesn't even spread well. And it sits out on my counters. It's so cold in the house. Alrighty. That is for him. Honey, your pancakes are ready. I say your pancakes are ready. Yep. That's your pile. Clean off this here butter. I'm going to make me one plain one. And then I'm going to make me some blueberry ones. Put me some blueberries in there.
What?
Some blueberries. Mm-mm-mm. Go ahead and flip him. Oh, yeah, he's pretty. There we go. Mm-mm-mm. Since mine are the last ones, I can go ahead and put my butter on here while it is still going. I told y'all it makes 6 pancakes. My pancakes are not huge. They are, let's see how big they are. I'm not real good at sizes. I know that's kind of weird, but that's 5 inches, and he's about a 4.5 inch pancakes. But these pancakes are so thick and fluffy. See if y'all can see that. How thick and fluffy they are. I already got my hot buttermilk syrup in the microwave. I made that with y'all. I think it's been 2 weeks now. 1 week or 2 weeks that I made it. And so I had put it in my microwave to get it nice and warm again. You see, we put it in this jar so I can just put it in the microwave. I did that for 30 seconds and then came back and did it another 30 seconds, and it's just perfect. You know, it might not be hot, but it was enough to melt that butter in there. So I'm going to put that on mine. Let's see how we're doing under here. Oh yeah, we are ready. All right, Gentry, I'm making yours to the side here. Let's put the big one on the bottom. Alrighty. Oops, I'm going to tear it apart. Got all that butter on there. Mm-mm-mm. There we go. I'll be back with you in just a second. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. All those blueberries. Mm-mm-mm. I'm going to go eat some blueberry pancakes. Y'all go make you some, and I hope you're ready for Christmas. It's just a week away. Love y'all. Bye.